So there's a quick recap for y'all. I took this trade yesterday, so let's see what I took. Actually, I took this trade on ES because this was a leading index. So let's just see how I took this. Let's see what my bias was for the day. Going into the day, we were in this fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap right here. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna mark that out. We were in this fair value gap before dumping later on the day. So I marked out all of the highs to the upside, um, the 4 hour highs. You can ask that why I didn't like mark out all of this. It kind of like market experience, but I don't know. It's like too far away to price to come down and take out all of this. Even if you see like these two highs were kind of relatively closer than this lows, but it didn't really take out all of that because price had no reasons to go to the upside that are far away. I'm gonna show you. So ES was making this equal lows right down here. So I marked out that this low right down here, this high, this is the maybe Asian high, and these were the 4 hour highs. So um, this was a London low. It was making a equal lows down here. This was an Asian high, and this was the London high. Um, so market opens and let me just go into 5 minutes. Market opens and it was making SMT with NQ. NQ to cut this low, this 5 minute low resistance low. So my bias for the day was to go to the upside and take out all of this low resistance liquidity. But one mistake that I made, like this liquidity up here, then this London high, all of this, my bad. Um, this high right here, this high right here, and also the London high. So the mistake that I made was like to mark out all of this 4 hour and targeting this 4 hour high because price had no reason to go to the upside that far away because we already had this low resistance liquidity down here, the 30-minute low resistance liquidity. So it took out all of that liquidity and just dumped to the downside. So we had no fucking reason to go that far away, but I still marked them out and my my stop loss placing was kind of horrible. It could have been a lot better. I'm gonna show you the more better entry and shit. So my bias for the day was to go to the upside. Market opens and it instantly inverts this fair value gap up here. It just inversed. That's number one confluence, and it also came down to this EQ equilibrium. That's number two confluence, and it also made an SMT with NQ, which this one. So I didn't take this trade on NQ because it was the ES was a leading index, and also ES had so much better entry or like confluence, if you see it like that. So I was looking at ES. It was making this SMT and I entered off of this EQ. So it tapped into that EQ and I waited for a 1 minute break of structure and I entered off of this right here, this break of structure right here. After that, it fell down to this 5 minute fair value gap, this fair value gap down here, this right here. The entry could have been so much better if I took this trade off of that fair value gap. My entry could have been like somewhere around here. This bullish reaction out of that. My stop loss would have been here, and my take profits, like the optimal take profits would have been like this. Where's that London high? Let me just see. This was a London high, maybe. Yeah. This would have been my first take profit. It's literally 2 RR on that high, and then this would have been my final take profit with like 4 RR Like there's no drawdown. It's maybe came down a bit, but then it just went to the sky. So this would have been a lot better entry. My stop loss, like look at this. My stop loss was here down to this 5 minute lows. Because I took this trade off of the EQ. My stop loss was here. I went break even after it took out this high right here, the London high. I didn't want to risk too much because I was already in a drawdown. Yes, I'm in a drawdown. Previous week was so bad for me. I made a lot of mistakes. It's totally on me. Um, so I got out of this trade somewhere around here. My stop loss was somewhere around here. Fees kind of took my $2, so it was like -$2 for the day. It was break even. Um, so yeah, that was a trade. Um, the only mistake that I made was to mark out this 4 hour. Like there's no reason, and it also had this fair value gap. So the 4 hour bearish fair value gap. So it had no reasons to go to the upside. It may be gonna take out this high maybe today, or I don't know if it take out these or these highs today. Today is Wednesday, so it maybe can take out this or maybe this. I don't know, and can go to the upside. So yeah, that was kind of it. Yeah, that was a trade. This is a quick recap for y'all. I wanted to update all of you guys about my trading on Funded. So yeah, I'm in a drawdown right now. It's around like $500, $500 in drawdown. But yeah, I'm gonna take it slow. I made a lot of mistakes past week, but yeah, it is part of the game. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and never make them again, I guess. Yeah. So and also I'm trying to make a weekly vlog type shit. I'm gonna upload maybe like on Sunday, and yeah, I'm trying to make a vlog like day in the life type of video, like what I do every day and shit. Um, so yeah, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna upload today's trade if I take any today. So yeah, that's it for today. See y'all tomorrow. Peace out.